my name is Sarah from Look What I Made, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this embroidered poster wall art. I always find when you buy posters or wall art on the internet that, well, they all look the same and everybody can buy them. They're quite cheap, which is good, but eventually you want your home to be unique. At least that's what I want. So I thought I'd give this poster a bit of an update, and today I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. And this is what you need for your embroidered poster. You can download this template from my blog, the link you can find in the description below. As a first step, take your poster and place the template on top where you want the embroidery to go. Then secure it with some washi tape. Then take a sharp needle and punch holes along the lines of your template. Now it's time to get rid of that template. Just peel it off carefully so you don't destroy your poster underneath. And then you should see all the lines that were on the template now as holes in your poster. Now take your embroidery floss and your needle and embroider along the holes that you just created. I just used a simple backstitch. If you don't know how to do that, you can just look at any video you can find here on YouTube. Just search for backstitch embroidery. And voila, this is how your finished embroidered poster should look like. Now just put it in a frame and hang it or place it in your home wherever you want. So if you like this video and this wall art that I made, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and also maybe you want to subscribe if you haven't already. And also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post my next video. Until then, have a nice time. As a little fun fact for those who watch the video now until the very end, in the beginning, the intro, the zipper of my pants is open the whole time. So feel free to go back and watch that again.